Hi everyone, my name is Melanie Dinh with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. I am very excited to take you on a virtual tour today. We are going to tour a very beautiful condo at Skyline Village in South San Francisco. This gorgeous home embraces a breathtaking view of the bay from both patios that you will fall in love with. Let's go and take a look. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a detached garage. The home embraces a lot of bright natural lights from both floors with 1,644 living square feet. The home is freshly painted and move-in ready. Stepping into the home, you will be welcomed into the living room with a view from the patio. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances. The dining room is spacious and can also be used as an office or family room. This floor also has a half bathroom. Stepping up the stairs, you will see the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry area. The master suite has 2 built-in closets. The master bathroom has a dual amenities and standing shower. You have to check out the breathtaking view from the patio up here. This lovely home is located in a great school district, and it has an easy access to freeways and conveniently close to supermarkets and the beach in Pacifica and Half Moon Bay. Thank you all so much for joining the tour with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I have. You have to come and check out this beautiful condo in person. Give me a call today and we can schedule a private showing. I look forward to speaking with you very soon. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.